Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moto, and you can see here today I have got chance to unbox this Realme U1. So you can see here this is the box pack of Realme U1. From this side you can see that now the logo of Realme is changed finally, and you are getting this box with the new logo. And if you can see here, this is 3 gigs of variant, and this is a blue color. And at the bottom of the box you can see the main specifications are mentioned, and at the same time the price of the device is mentioned 12,999, but now the rate have decreased by 1,000, so you will get it around 11,000 rupees only. So let's begin with the unboxing. You can see here the polythene wrap around the box, which I have to clear up first. Guys, this is self-made video, so you will find little bit of distortion in the video, so sorry for that. I don't have my supporting cameraman as of now. Okay, so you can see this was polythene wrap which I removed just now, and apart from that there's no seal, so just you have to hold this like this, and automatically after some time the box will be below the cover, so it is taking a little bit of time. Just wait for a moment, you will have the first look of Realme U1. Now half of the portion is out of the box, but I'm struggling with half. I don't know why this is happening. So it is too tough to remove with a single hand, so sorry for that. I cannot even remove this part from video, so you have to stuck with me as well. Okay, so finally this is the box, you can see. Yeah, so this is the box. Inside the box, and the most important things are placed in this. So you can see SIM ejector tool. This is the cover, which is basically a TPU cover, but quality is nice. And I like to see one thing. Yes, here you can see as the Oppo provides one extra protection of the screen, which is not there in this back cover. So if you will put your device on the table from the display side, there is a chance that your phone will get little scratches. And finally, this is the Realme U1. Okay, and apart from that you are getting this travel adapter. The rating of the adapter, definitely that will be around 2 ampere. Yes, if you can see, this is 5 volt 2 ampere charger, and you are getting here normal USB from type A. Yes, USB 3.0. so this was all box content. If you can see, this is back cover, charger. So I will just remove all these things, and finally I will show you the mobile phone. So talking about the build quality, you can see here that this back of the device is very glossy, and one pattern is appearing if you are just rotating your device like this. So I'll also remove this bar as well, so you can see here now the build quality is nice. I'll say it seems that the back portion of this device is glass, but in reality that is plastic. And this is fingerprint sensor. Here you can see 13+2 megapixel camera, LED flash, and a Realme badging. At the bottom of the device you can see here 3.5 mm jack. There is 2 mics. You can see clearly that one will be primary and second one will be for noise cancellation, I hope so. And here you can see this is charging grill and this is speaker. And at the right side you can see there's a power button only, and at the left side there's a volume rocker and SIM ejector tray. At the top there's nothing. You can just see clearly there's nothing at the top, just because the secondary mic is also situated at the bottom of the device. So top is clean. And now I'll show you the front. So you can see this is the first impression of Realme U1. So it will take a little bit of time in booting, so I'll also like to give you some specification detail of the device. So this is powered by MediaTek Helio P70, which is a very nice processor, I'll say, because if we will compare the scores, that will be a little ahead of even Snapdragon 660. So in the processor department, I think the performance should be very nice of this device. And the one most important thing of the device is its front camera. So you are getting here 25 megapixel front camera shooter. So selfie department, I think in this budget none of other device can compete with this. So I'll set as a new. So you are getting here color OS, if you can see clearly. This is the operating system of Oppo, which is the parent company of this Realme. So this is first impression. I'll say display is very nice, and if I'll go in detail, so you can see here in the setting department, if I'll go in about phone, so you are getting here Android 8.1.0, and definitely the color OS of volume 5.2. So as of now you are not getting here Android Pie or something like that, but I hope you will get updates as well. And as of now the device has October security patch, which is not good, I'll say. At least out of the box we should get a latest software in any of the device, what I expect from the companies. And now I'll talk about the camera quality. If you can see clearly, this is the camera interface, which is very similar of Oppo devices, if you have been using that. And first of all, I'd like to show you the first impression of the front camera. So just to give me a moment to capture any shot and to show you. So you can see here, if you can see here, the camera of this device, which seems to be very nice. I think you will not be able to see in details as of now, but later on I'll give you the full detail review of the camera. And if I'll go into the back camera, so I would like to show you the camera quality of the back as well. So here you can see that this is the first impression. I hope the camera should be good, but in the first impression I cannot say anything about that. I think the front camera is better than back one. And so this was all about Realme U1, from unboxing to a little bit of review and opinion. And I will also give you the detailed review. Okay, so you can see here, this is the back portion now after using just for 2 minutes. So you can see the fingerprint smudges are much higher. So this is fingerprint magnet, so you have to use it with care. Otherwise your device will look very dirty every time. Thanks for watching the video. Arunesh Suja signing off. Stay tuned with Moto, and please subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again in next video.